Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hot Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witch's Roots box. I've got a light here, so hopefully that will help with the lighting. And also, it's still daylight out. This box comes in a mailer, but I've already removed it. It smells really good, so I'm really excited. Again, this is the Witch's Roots for April 2020. I always forget the theme, so let's check that out. The plant guide. I love plants. So, I'm going to read that last. Looks like it's information on the anointing oil. Seal of Solomon. Very cool. Yarrow. Wonderful. Language of Flowers. Another one for my little tiny deck collection. We got some yarrow. Oops. Stuck to the bag. This is Plant Guide Anointing Oil. And I love all the stuff floating in it. Let me smell it. Smells good. Smells really fruity or florally. Got a little wonderful thing in here. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a little baby zelenite heart. So precious. I love it. Let's smell this incense. Really like a very fruity box, this one. We've got a little purple candle. Alright, let's read that now. The Plant Guide. As seekers of wisdom and knowledge, we eagerly look for inspiration from the energies that surround us. Through practice and effort, we begin to adjust our perspective when allowing information and guidance to persuade how we handle situations and make decisions. Although our relationship with our spirit guides and ancestral influences are important to our practice, we commonly rely on the natural herbal guides that come as blessings in time of need. The knowledge and ancient wisdom that can be found from all things that are provided from the soil can have a profound influence on our ability to work through difficult situations and overcome challenges. In this very special collection, we work with the energy of plants, flowers, herbs, and roots to add vitality on our quest for enlightenment and wisdom. So we got yarrow. Upon the grave of Confucius, it is said that yarrow grows to bestow intelligence upon those that stand near. In other traditions, the sight of the sprouting yarrow is a symbol of protection and signifies a land of resilience. So it inspires tremendous courage in trying times, boosts and strengthens relationships of all kinds, cultivates clear communication and reinforcing meaningful commitments. The yarrow imposes potent protection, sprinkled across thresholds, hung in rooms of the vulnerable, worn during astral travel or divination, burned to bolster one's auric field. This herb is universally defensive. The yarrow assists in effective and reliable psychic work. Some folk customs recommend rubbing yarrow on the eyelids to promote psychic visions. Add dried flowers to dream pillows to receive prophetic dreams. Drink as a tea prior to divinatory work to improve focus and deter distractions. When infused in baths or oils, yarrow cleanses and restores the aura, simultaneously clearing and balancing the crown chakra. Yarrow is an essential component in love sachets. So it's pretty powerful. Okay. The artwork, which I'm collecting. I've got to think of a way to do this, but I haven't really had the opportunity to peruse Michael's. Language of Flowers affirmation cards. I'm really excited about these. Beautiful deck of cards created by Sherilyn Darcy. Oh, cool. Whisper of Wisdom mini spell candle. We haven't rolled this spell candle with the intention of providing a subtle, humbling energy for you to resonate with. As you sit before the flame, call upon the spirits of nature to guide and support you on your path. A selenite heart in a pink pouch. The stone of elegance and peace. Selenite is a common must-have crystal to have readily available. For the purposes of this very collection, we have included a heart-shaped selenite crystal to provide quiet and supporting energy when working with herbal remedies or communicating with plants. We commonly offer crystals such as this as a gift to the plants that grow throughout our sacred space. Floral ritual incense sticks provide healing and grounding energies for your ritual work. As you allow the smoke from this incense to waft through your space, visualize earthly energies embodying your emotions, bringing you joy and comfort. The Seal of Solomon Book of Shadows artwork. It's a first Seal of Solomon card created by A.E. Alden. This artwork references the third pentacle of Venus, known for its magical influences over love, respect, and admiration. This card has been created so that you may cut the seal out separately to use during ritual. That's very, very cool. Awesome box. I know a lot of people have already unboxed it by the time I got this. Oh, and this is why the little plant thing is separate, because it wasn't on the main printing. Plant Guide Magical Anointing Oil. It's providing you more aware state when working with plants and magical herbs. As you anoint your skin, jewelry, or ritual tools, visualize the sounds of electronics, hums of fans, and notifications from your phone drift away, allowing you to be more aware of the natural essence that surrounds you. We have enchanted this magical anointing oil with jasmine, cedarwood, ylang-ylang, lavender, lemongrass, and neroli oils, as well as yarrow and elderflower herbs. We also included a special mixture of our Gaia magic oil from our personal cabinet in making this oil. So, this is my Witch's Roots box. It's a major favorite of mine. I think for $29 it comes with an amazing amount of magical goodies. All of them having to do obviously with herbal magic, but that's really a good thing to learn. Good thing for anybody to learn. Especially in times of scarcity or need. It's good to know what you can use, how you can use what you have on hand in your yard, in your community, at your market, your farmer's market, to nourish you, to heal you, and to use spiritually. So very much love it. I set up this camera close to my window outside. Don't know if you can see the visitors that have come because they hear my voice. There's one of them. Where's your brothers? Here they all come. Little goglings today. They're off. The ones that survived are off with their parents. Just turkeys. Just turkeys. And there's a chicken drinking from a waterer. So a couple of roosters walking around, and just my blessed, beautiful backyard. So it's a beautiful day. I thought I'd film right here. Oh, Lord have mercy. The roosters. Oh, here come all the other roosters. So there's this rooster, this rooster, this rooster. There's one over there. There's one right there. And everybody has their specific ladies that they prefer. And so if any lady starts squawking, they all come over to see who's squawking. And if it's somebody's lady that they prefer, they brawl. So, long story short, I need more hens. And also, I need less roosters. So somebody's going into the cooking pot whenever I can muster the strength to hurt one. And then there'll be, of course, these little gentlemen. Been brawling and brawling, so nobody's tail looks proper. They all look scraggly because they've been fighting each other. Believe it or not, this one is the one with a broken leg. Turns out she was a he, and also is feeling much better to be strutting in front of me. You're so pretty! Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.